So in addition to iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max, I've also gone ahead and purchased the two new Apple Watch Series 4 in gold and space gray. The one I'm unboxing right now is a space gray aluminum finish. I bought both of the watches with sports band, but there are other options to choose from depending on your preferred style and way of life. The space gray comes with the black band by default. Inside the bigger box is the actual watch body. It's nifty that they put the protective cloth cover on it, though I'm probably not ever going to use it again. It also comes with the basic instruction manual for syncing the phone to your device if you don't know or forgot how to. Also included are the magnetic charger cord and the wall adapter. All the basic stuff. Continuing on, I also want to show off the gold color Apple Watch. This is the one that will match my new iPhone. I got it in the 44mm, so it's a little bit bigger and more expensive than 40mm version. It says on the box gold stainless steel pin and sports band. It lets you know exactly what you got in case all that money you spent also made your brain fall out. This is the Pink Sense sports band. This is the default band color for the gold aluminum finish. The stainless steel version comes with more neutral tan band. The gold watch comes with a really pretty pink cover for it, which again will probably not see the light of day after this. The overall layout of all the buttons and the shape of the Apple Watch hasn't changed since Series 1. The spec has gotten way futuristic though. Looks cool. Everything else looks the Apple Watches from the past, including the band slot. All the bands that you have for the previous versions of Apple Watch will be compatible with the new one. Apple bands can get pricey, so recycle and reuse if you can. And in a bout of uncharacteristic generosity, Apple does include two different wristband lengths to be inclusive to people of all wrist diameters. Let's go ahead and sync up this watch to our phone. Using Apple's built-in Apple Watch app, syncing is pretty easy. While that's happening, let me talk a bit more about Apple Watch. The past Apple Watches were all very good at keep tracking of your heart rates and such, but this Series 4 has been further upgraded with a system that will keep track of your heartbeat and also alert irregularities from your normal heart rate. The digital crown also has built-in electrocardiogram feature to help diagnose present and potential heart disease and risk. It keeps track of that information in the health app, making it easy to share with your doctor during visits. This feature has been approved by FDA and it's all very legit. Only thing I can say for certain is that this is probably going to be another source of anxiety for me as I worry about my perfectly normal health 12 times a day. Our watch has now been paired up with our phone. Like the iPhone, the watch also comes with a ton of pre-installed apps. Some of these are actually useful and cool, others not so much. You definitely need a messenger app on this. The activity app is a must. Maybe not so much. Workout app, of course we need it. And of course we also need a heart rate monitor. These fit my anxiety and stress. It's already going up. And you can take a picture on your phone through Apple Watch. What's cool is that you can look at the photo on your watch too. So that's the Apple Watch Series 4 unboxing and introduction. Frankly, the 44mm is a bit too big for someone with thinner wrists like me. It looks a bit awkward and it's kinda heavy too. A little bit not worth $400. But the overall watch is pretty to look at and fun to play with. Paired with the iPhone, it's great and very helpful piece of tech. That's it for this video. See you next time. Bye!